Hey guys, happy Monday. I have another process video for you today. This is from a page from my 2018 Project Life album. Because we haven't been able to really travel or do anything like that this year for obvious reasons, I've just been kind of gravitating toward all of my old travel pages that I never finished. So it's kind of like a little escape. But yeah, so let's get started. This page is from 2018, like I said. After our wedding, we went on like a quick little Minimoon to Punta Cana in the Dominican Republic. So that's what this page is from. Really nice trip, really miss it. Weather was great, super chill. We kind of just laid around all day. So yeah. So for this page, as you can see, I'm kind of going for like a sea foamy kind of theme. But you'll see in a couple minutes that I kind of like just scrap half of it, and that's okay. That's just how things are. So right now I'm still working with the cards that I chose originally. I'm grabbing some embellishments, grabbed those Kelly Perky stickers that I love so much, some word strips from Studio Calico, I believe, and just rummaging through some stickers. In my last process video, I mentioned that I was trying to overhaul my entire organization set up just to make things more efficient. So I've been in the process of doing that. I started making a video for that. But right now my stickers are kind of just free floating in the same basket. So I'm still trying to figure out how I want to organize that. But yeah, it's coming along. It's a lot easier now. I've like reorganized my die cuts and stuff. I had them all in just one random bin, which was a nightmare to go through. So I've actually reorganized them based on color, which you'll see in a little bit. Anyway, right now I'm just working with those Kelly Perky stickers. If you didn't know, Kelly Perky recently announced that she's reopening her shop under a different name. I think it's called Paper Person, which I'm very excited about. It's nice to have more options in the scrapbooking, Project Life, pocket page industry. So I'm excited for that. Kelly Perky's always putting out quality stuff, so that'll be exciting. I don't know if she's going to bring back these stickers, which I mention in every single video because I love them so much. But fingers crossed that she does, because they're honestly solid. Can't live without them. Can't scrapbook without them. So yeah. So I just went through and picked some stamps from my stamp collection. These both are actually Kelly Perky as well, I think. But as you can see, I also rearranged my stamps. One thing I do have to do, I have to figure out how I want to categorize them and organize them that way, so that I'm not just going through every single stamp set I own trying to figure out what I want to use and wasting maybe like 5 minutes. So that'll be the next thing I do. So like I mentioned earlier, it's at this point that I realized I am not happy with the colors on this page, which is fine. I kind of wish I had figured it out sooner so that I wouldn't have to have that whole first part of choosing cards that I didn't end up using, but that's just how it goes sometimes, and that's okay. So I'm trying to figure out, I didn't like the green. I thought it was too much green. There wasn't enough contrast. I just didn't love it. So I tried some wood grain papers. I ripped that chipboard off that other card, realized that the cardboard came off with the chipboard, and that's okay. I called in some backup. My husband is going to pop in a little bit and help me figure out what the heck to do. Because it's just, it happens. Everyone knows. Everyone's been there. I really like this Hey Girl Hey card, just to give it some contrast. You can never go wrong with random pops of black on pages, personally. And here he is, just helping me find some cards, helping me figure out what to do. I really wanted to try and salvage that bathing suit card because I just thought it was so cute, and I've been hoarding it forever just because it's adorable. It's so appropriate. So I'm like, I had stapled it already, so I'm trying to take the staples out. I wanted to try to use the swim trunks on the other side, but it was too bright, too green, too blue. So I totally just threw that out of the running. But I think I'm a lot happier with the way it turned out. I actually really love this page by the end of this video. So if anyone's struggling, it's totally okay. And then this is the final arrangement I settled on. It is still a bit green, which I think once I had that black card, that Hey Girl Hey card there, it made the page a lot better and it was a little bit more interesting to look at. So, you know, I'm happy with it, it's fine. So I'm just adding all of my final little embellishments. I'm trying to tie in some of that, like the tan and the browns, up on that top card with those enamel plus signs from Studio Calico. I think they're twined in ink. And then I'm going to use these word strips that I chose in the beginning just to tie in kind of that, they're like a really cute handwritten print. So I just want to tie in that Hey Girl Hey card and have that whole style throughout the whole page. And that's pretty much it for this page. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions or comments about anything I use in this video. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. It's Julie Makes Things on there. And please subscribe if you haven't already. I've been posting videos every week so far. So I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.